In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an OpenAI API key. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your OpenAI account. If you haven't done this before, head over to the OpenAI platform website and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your OpenAI projects, and from here, we can access the section needed to create an API key. Next, let's navigate to the billing section. Look for the Go to Billing option and click on it. This is where you manage your billing details, subscriptions, and payment methods. Accessing billing is crucial because having a valid payment method is often required to generate and use API keys efficiently. Now, you're ready to proceed to the API keys section. Click on API keys in the menu. This part of the platform is specifically designed to handle your key management. Once there, you'll see a list of any keys you've previously created. If this is your first time, it might look a little empty, but don't worry, we're about to change that. To create a new API key, locate the option that says Create New Secret Key. Clicking here will begin the process of generating your key, giving you access to OpenAI's versatile API functionalities. Once you've opted to create a new key, you'll be prompted to name it. It's a good idea to choose a descriptive name, especially if you plan on creating multiple keys for different projects. After naming your key, you'll need to select a project. You might have a drop-down list with your existing projects, or you can create a new one that best suits your needs. Next, you'll find a button that says Create Secret Key. Go ahead and click it. This finalizes the creation process and generates your new API key. It's important to treat this key as sensitive information. Like a password, you don't want to share it in public repositories or with unauthorized individuals. After successfully creating the key, you'll have the option to copy it. Make sure to do this right away since, for security reasons, the platform may not show you the key again later. Paste it into a password manager or a secure document where you store important credentials. And that's it. You've successfully generated a new OpenAI API key. With this key, you can seamlessly integrate OpenAI's capabilities into your applications, whether you're building a chatbot, conducting data analysis, or more. If you're ever unsure about any step, remember that revisiting this video and retracing your steps can be very helpful. Thank you for watching and happy coding.